Hi ma'am sir, have a good day. My name is Elvis Christian Kakatyan, 32 years old, and I am Catholic. My mother's name is Nelia Kakatyan, housewife, and my father's name Elvis Kakatyan, deceased. And I have one sister, and I am the youngest in the family. I married to Zenny Rose Kakatyan and with one child, age of 12 years old. I studied Bachelor of Science in Mechanical Technology at Cagayan State University. I didn't finish my studies due to financial problems. I worked as a family driver in 7 years, a gardener, houseboy, and taking care of elderly, age of 67 years old. I also experienced taking care of dogs, and I can do cooking, cleaning, laundry, ironing, and car washing. If you give me a chance to work with you and your family, I will do my best to do my responsibilities, and I am willing to learn a new things from you. Thank you and God bless.